Thank you, Nadia. I am Bill Miller. I am the CFO and Senior Vice President of Operations for Flowmizer Inc. I'm also one of the four founding members of this exciting company. As a startup, we will not have a need for any physical plant. We will utilize the personal property of the four owners for office functions and for inventory management. We will contract with Enzing International, a trusted business partner, for the development, the engineering, the design of our product, and the manufacturing, most importantly. We will uh, utilize a just-in-time pull method for ordering as the product is ordered. Then we'll have more developed. It'll keep our inventory costs low. We will we will expand our minimal viable product, the Flowmizer, to include solar panel and Bluetooth smart technology, and eventually create a Flowmizer for the whole house, not just for the hoses. We will advertise. We will hire Advantage Advertising. They will build our website, our e-commerce site. They'll do the social media concept videos. The social media will be our primary form of advertising, and they'll be able to get a direct link to purchase the product online. We will invest in an MIS system to make sure that our website has the needed services and tools to have the best customer service experience for our customers. Our goals are a little bit misleading in that they're not goals. It's what we're going to do. We are going to become a niche leader when it comes to water conservation products. We are going to dominate the market. We are going to force what uh, little um, little pieces of this segment that other competitors are in. We're going to force them out. We're going to have a conservative. Our pro forma is built off of a conservative sales targets of 10,000 units the first year, which will really just be building the brand awareness. And then we expect at a minimum to be able to sell 25,000 units a year from years 2 on. And by year 10, we expect to be the global award-winning quality brand that supports water conservation goals around the world. Our financial plan is simple. We'll start having a profit after year 1, uh, and that'll carry on through. In year 3, we will invest in some additional employees to help us with our further development of the product and other products. And the owners of the company will not take any income until at which time uh, the profits are there for us to be able to do so. But no profits, no salaries. The financial plan has us repaying the initial investment after year 5, by year 5, um, which is really exciting. I think that's a pretty quick return. We will use the funding that we're seeking to create the molds for the product, the concept video creation. Uh, Working capital will be used for inventory management and marketing and website management. So we are seeking $850,000. We expect to be able to pay that back within 60 months with a return of 6%. I want you to keep in mind that 70% of the consumers in the U.S. indicated they don't have enough time to enjoy life. 60% of consumers state that they are conscientious about water. And honestly, 100% of people hate paying high water bills. We're a highly experienced management team. We have a great product, and we hope that you don't miss out on this.